Hey, what's up guys? So this is my third update on my 16-bit OS, and honestly, this one is big. Okay, so the big update. It now have a fully working Inode-based file system. Alright, let me just show you, because this is way more fun than talking about it. So here we are in shell prompt. Now watch this. I'll type make dir projects and boom, folder created. Just like that. Now let's do ls to list everything. See it? There's our projects directory sitting right there. But wait, try ls AI instead. This one shows you all the info. Inode numbers, metadata, the works. Way more satisfying. Now let's navigate. See the projects, and we're inside. We're literally walking through the file system. Let's make another folder in here. mkdirsrc, done. ls again, and there it is. Now let's delete it. delsrc, gone. Clean. Instant. Oh, and one more fun little thing. The color command. You can change the terminal text color. Not the most critical feature ever, but honestly, it makes the whole thing feel so much more alive. Now, what does that actually mean? Simply put, an inode is like a little ID card for every file or folder in your system. Instead of just storing data randomly, everything gets a proper identity, a number, metadata, a place in the structure. It's how real operating systems like Linux manage files under the hood. And as I told before, it auto-installs itself to hard disk on exit. So booting from hard disk should retain the directories. Now, to be real with you, this is still very early. Right now, we only have directory operations. There are no actual files yet. You can't write text to a file, you can't read one back. That's the very next thing on my list. After that, I really want to tackle non-preemptive scheduling, so the OS can start managing multiple tasks, and then the big one. Proper kernel and user space separation with actual system calls. That's going to be a whole journey. If you've made it this far, thank you, genuinely. It means a lot that anyone wants to follow along on this little journey of mine. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, it really does help me keep going. And drop a comment. What feature do you want to see built next? Files? Scheduling? System calls? Let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.